Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making barfi. Take a non-stick pan, add butter and then add milk. Now the butter has melted, the heat is over medium low. And when the butter melted, now add sugar. And I'm just gonna use a wooden spoon to mix. And now it's time to add milk powder, and I'm using full cream milk powder. And also I am going to add some ground almond and keep mixing. Just make sure there's no lumps. And I just switch with a hand whisk just to make sure there is really no lumps, because this is a very soft barfi. We don't want any lumps in it. So yeah, just make sure to keep mixing. Do not stop mixing at all. And now you can see how the mixture is looking a little bit thicker. And it's been 5 to 6 minutes right now. And then you can see how the barfi is looking. It's getting thicker and thicker, and it's not sticking to the pan because I use a non-stick pan. You can also use a ceramic pan as well. Now it's time to add some food color. It's optional. You can add red, pink, or you can just leave the barfi white. I'm just gonna add some red food color just to make it pink. Even though I already made a barfi in my other channel, La Cuisine Laila, that was, like pink. I forgot to the camera. I don't know what happened. I add a little bit elaichi powder, which is cardamom powder. After you add the food color, just add a little bit of cardamom powder. So that's why you're seeing on the screen. So now you can see the mixture, the barfi mixture has become a dough. Turn the heat off, remove from heat, and place on a glass dish that is greased with butter. You can also, not necessary to use a glass dish, you can also use a aluminum dish as well. So I'm using a spatula just to flat the barfi, and I'm just pushing it halfway to the pan so that I got the thickness of the barfi that I want. Otherwise the barfi will be too thin and flat. And now sprinkle with chopped almond and slightly press with your hand so that the almond stick to the barfi. Now this barfi has to cool down completely and set completely before slicing. It took me about 2 to 2.5 hours. And now you can see I already sliced the barfi, and they are nice, thick. And I just made some little pieces, which is, like easy to eat. And you can also cut them into diamond shape, triangle. You do what you want to do. It's your barfi. But yes, this is a very easy sweet or snack you can make if your guest is coming or unexpected. So simple, so easy, so quick. Full written recipe is down below in the description box. Just click on the link. It's gonna go to my website, www.lailascuisine.com. For now, I'm gonna leave you guys. Please like, subscribe, and bye-bye.